The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?
All right, winter beater tech tip for you. So this is a truck toolbox on one of those little frames there, you know, for hauling cargo carrier. And then I put a truck toolbox on it mounted permanently with some 4 bolts, and then I got this solar panel I mounted to the lid, and now all that goes into this box. Now that there is a Chinese diesel heater. Now I can set that down. That's a Chinese diesel heater. The battery that runs it, the solar controller that charges it. You got a little backup stuff for emergencies to help people out. And then yeah, the exhaust goes down through the wrap just to protect it. And what's really nice about this, and I have obviously a heating duct going into a rust hole on my winter beater here, but you got a control. And so rather than starting my car in this neighborhood here next to a liquor store, there's been several cars stolen out of here, so I don't take any chances. So what I've done is I just fire this up. It came with a remote, and I just let it run about 45 minutes before I leave. And it's nice because the whole van gets warmed up without running. And then I can get out here and I don't have to scrape snow. So just thought I'd show you that, because you can take those diesel heaters and put them inside of your beater or in a toolbox on a truck, any vehicle. You can preheat without having to run the vehicle. I don't know how useful that is, but those things are only like, those diesel heaters are only about $100, and they're remote controlled. And as long as you set them up and you're kind of a tinkering person, you can have your own little redneck heat source, I guess you could call it. Winter beater heat source.